Okay, guys, so as you could clearly see, we got a black and white fig in a row. And I just found this green fig, as you can see.
What even is that?
I don't know.
It looks like a roller one. Let me see. Oh, there's the back of the truck. What is this?
I don't know.
Those are palm. Whoa. So,
Chill out. If you fall,
I almost fell. Our poor palm tree is so dried.
R.I.P. Jeremy.
Yeah, R.I.P. Jerry the palm tree.
Jeremy the palm tree.
Yeah, R.I.P. Jeremy the palm tree in the comments.
I'm making him a grave.
Okay, let's go over here. I'm trying to place down pieces of wood right here so we can get across this muddy water. So far it ain't working because the water's moving it. Who is playing Minecraft?
What are you doing?
Yo, who's playing Minecraft?
Huh?
Someone's playing Minecraft.
Wait, no, wait, hold on. Wait, Minecraft?
Someone's playing Minecraft.
Really? Move out the way. Where?
See that tree? Someone's just let the tree float in. Right there in front of you.
That?
Yeah. Someone just let the tree float in.
Yeah.
Yo. Don't step in the muddy water. You're wearing Air Forces.
I don't care. I'm getting.
Yeah, you may want to get out.
I'm gonna give it a bath when I get home.
Yeah, he's gonna give it a bath. But we have no idea what is blocking the
I'm
water.
probably gonna hit my shower and I'm putting some kind
Yeah.
of bath
Oh,
bomb
shit.
thing.
Ah.
Are you actually okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that, bro?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Ow.
So that's what's blocking the entrance of the water.
Water can just come through.
No, it can't. Look, see that fallen tree?
Yeah, but it can just go under it.
No, it can't. It's blocked. These fallen trees are blocking it. It's blocked right here.
Gosh, I tied myself up. Wait, hold on. What is that? What type of plant is that? Is that the ball plant? The balls plant?
It's a nut sack.
Let me see. A nut sack? Who is that? Who is that?
It's just Daniel.
I heard a villager.
You've heard of villager? Kind of, you're delusional. Seriously.
Of course I'm delusional.
My feet are sinking.
Get them out.
Oh shit.
Oh, okay, wrong place. Oh my god.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the
Let me open my nutsack. First, I want to see what type of nuts are in it.
the food.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
My shoe is stuck.
No, it's not, Daniel. He's talking about the food. It looks like a pair of balls. What?
You remember the last time we were breaking that tree?
Yeah?
Want to do it again?
No. I have some plans. Follow me. Alright, I jammed this piece of wood in here. Well, come faster.
What do you want me to teleport?
Yes, be an Enderman. There's the broken light.
What do I have to do a spell? Daddy says 2, Daddy says 2, Daddy says 2. I'm teleporting.
What?
I can teleport over there.
And here is our little ritual area. That we're going to use this, our ritual area, as a campfire area. So we're going to have dig a hole somewhere. So all that wood back there we're going to burn up. Don't crease them.
Oh, it's getting broken.
Get you. What, Daniel?
Come on.
No. Bro, what happened to this ball?
I'll have to it for you. I'll to it for you. Oh! Bro, why did you get that stuck?
Oh, it's stuck?
Oh, no, I got it.
Oh, it's... Oh.
I made a bottle.
Daniel, we need to do the ritual. Get on the ground.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga. You are now reincarnated. Okay. Let's do parkour.
No! Can we just go back to breaking that food? It was really fun.
Yeah, all this needs to be cleared out. We cannot enter. Pulls hatchet. Pulls an axe out of nowhere.
Hatchet required. No, hatchet.
I am the cameraman.
Yeah, you're the cameraman, but the one that talks a lot in the videos.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to the
Base?
lookout.
The base? Okay.
Lookout.
Why?
So we can spot.
Oh.
Oh. He's a bit stuck. You need some help there?
Oh, yeah.
Well, it looks like you got it.
Ooga booga.
Okay, to the lookout. Go on, Daniel. Seems like we had technical difficulties.
Let's go.
Where's your nutsack?
Oh, I left it at base.
Oh.
I'm gonna open it when I get back.
Okay.
When we get back.
Oh. Grab this hole. Whoa. Freedom!
Finally!
Daniel, put that down. I'm going to teabag on Daniel after I kill him. Dead.
Teabag!
I teabag Daniel.
Ooga booga, ooga booga. Ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga, ooga booga.
Slide down the dirt slide, Daniel.
Okay, can we go back to the base now? I want to open my nutsack.
Yes, we shall watch Riker open his nutsack.
I wonder what type of balls were in it.
You mean nuts?
Yeah, nuts. I don't know what's wrong with me.
This video might be heavily censored.
Okay, now I have my weapon to break open the nuts.
Yes, let's shall eat some nuts.
Ew, no, you're gonna die. We're gonna cook them.
The nuts.
Nutsack. That's probably somebody's balls.
No, they're not. It's a plant. What is it?
It's a nut. See that? Sack. That's what it looks
There's
like.
more balls in it.
Huh?
Probably has to be
I'm pretty
cooked.
sure that's the food.
Yeah, it probably has to be cooked
Here.
by a professional chef, not
Oh.
3 idiots.
Yeah, not the 3 idiots. Hold on, let me open these balls.
Out of the 3 of us,
The 3 of us combined equals a perfectage.
Out of the three of us, who is yours favorite? Me, Daniel, or Riker?
Oh.
I'm probably the most idiotic.
Oh. There's this like white stuff in them.
It looks like a green orange. It looks like a green orange.
They're probably all, no, because there's 5 slices.
Yeah, but still looks like a green orange. My water meter stick.
We're wasting God's food.
No, we're not.
I am. Where did I put my? Oh, there's my other nuts. And my other nuts. No.
I still have to fix that.
Nuts.
I'll go with this.
Nuts.
Big nutty.
The wrappers.
The wrappers.
My.
I mean skin. Skin.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna find some more of those nuts. Nut sacks.
Okay, then let's go over there.
Let's find more nut sacks. And then we can bring them home. Actually, can you give me my rope? Daniel, give me my, the blue one, the dark blue. Yeah, no, dark one. The one that's next to you. That one. Let me see it.
Meanwhile, they are fooling around. I shall look for some more.
I'm gonna arrest you if you don't get yourself over here.
Some more of those plants.
Oh my God!
No. Wait. Not the Air Forces. That's why I wear Crocs.
I'm throwing. If I had the black ones, it would be good. How deep is this? You must.
It's not that deep for, well, me. Daniel, come on. I found another one that's already opened. I think I know where they grow from. See these like little... No, these are palm trees.
Palm trees getting planted.
These things, they look like palm trees because the base of
They
it.
probably are.
Ah, my ear.
Yeah, my Air Forces are okay. Oh. Stop screaming. Then police will find us. Or someone will call the cops. I might find some more nutsacks. My shoes!
Your shoe's fine.
Where are my nutsacks at?
Gotta look around this area.
Oh, I found one.
Not that kind. Daniel? No. I can walk. Here's a place to wash your shoes off, Riker.
Okay, let's see if it actually works.
Are you wearing socks?
Yes.
Well, your socks are about to get soaked. Don't dip your whole feet in it.
It's just mostly this one.
My shoe.
You're gonna better fall. Sing.
My shoe.
No, the mud comes off.
My shoe.
It looks whiter. It's clean.
The back?
No. Well, the sides, they're cleaner.
The side-
Daniel, your shoes are fine. You're wearing Crocs.
Yeah. You don't have white shoes. Yeah.
My flesh.
Whoa.
I hate this.
Got you first the terrains. Let me show you the bathroom. Here's your
I
rope.
forgot what the rope was.
This way.
This way.
That's the bathroom, so you have a view.
There's another crab there. Is that ours?
No, that's the same one.
Yeah, I know.
This is our bathroom, Riker. so we have a view when we're pissing. There's the bridge.
Beautiful.
Wait, there's a bridge?
But I don't know where we're supposed to go poo though.
Imagine you climbed that. If I was you, I would not.
I did.
How did you live? Did you fall?
Yeah, I fell knee deep into the water.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Daniel, hold my phone.
No, you're not doing that again.
Riker, just hold my phone like this.
Hold on.
Put the ball down. Hold my phone like this.
Alex?
What?
If you fall again, just tell me that. Please, be careful. Be careful.
I maybe need to take a bath.
Please be careful.
This mud is squeaky.
Bro, you can't. You're not gonna climb that, and I know you won't. Bro, is your neck okay?
It's nowhere.
Okay, now get down.
Oh shit, yep. This is loose. I was about to collapse.
Yeah, I don't want you to get hurt. Bad boy, get down.
Alex, this is my question when I take my clothes.
Be careful now,
Whippy!
because I know you're not careful all the time. Okay, there we go. Take the camera.
Bro, my shoe.
Yeah, these look perfect.
I like your Air Force. Okay, Daniel, let's go.
Let me find the bottom. This one. You're now
I need
randomly
to wash-
selected.
Daniel, your shoes are fine. Mine's aren't.
Out of all of the bottles, this one has got selected. You know what we do with these bottles when we tie them up? A random bottle has now got selected.
You want a torn piece of a hat?
Yeah. Oh, I messed up.
No littering. Huh.
You just
That's
littered.
what we do.
At least it's not in the water.
Yeah, we do have a point. Well, that's what we do. Actually, no. We take the bottles, we put them in here, and we float them in the water. But if they come out, this guy right here named Alex will come and take them.
Well, let's put our crab track back in the water. Because this thing defies all laws of physics. Bro.
A crab trap has now has been selected as the crab trap of the year.
Yeet.
You know what? I'm throwing the whole thing, okay?
Okay. Okay, here's your flag. That is the end of today's video.
See ya!
No!
The flag!
I'm gonna keep going.
What? The what?
If we're done with that, if we're done with the video, are we gonna go home?
Why not
No.
stay here and chill out for a while?
Yeah!
Okay, bye.